Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of spongy bone for histology, practical and slide. There are 6 identification points of spongy bone. Number 1, few haversion system. There will be few haversion system in spongy bone and more in compact bone. Number 2, trabeculi of the bone marrow. Number third is hemopoietic tissue will present, mean bone marrow. And number fourth is red marrow will present in between the trabeculi spaces. And number fifth is spikes are present. And number six is periosteum will present outer fibrous and inner cellular layer. These are the 6 identification points for spongy bone histology, practical and slide. I already upload the slide detailed explanation video on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. Now I will be upload these identification points video also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, slide detailed explanation video, and each video identification points for practical and slide. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.